You will save up to $60,000 a year in taxes moving from Manhattan to Greenwich. But there are 5 things nobody warns you about before you buy. And number 3 surprised me the most when I started working with relocating buyers. Today, I am walking you through the real side of moving from New York City to Greenwich, Connecticut. Not the highlight reel, not the fantasy version, but the things that actually catch people off guard after they make the move. I am Charles Nedder, a realtor here in Greenwich, Connecticut, and I work with NYC relocators every single week. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to expect so you can make this transition with your eyes wide open. Let us start with the good news. The tax savings are real. When you leave New York City, you eliminate the city income tax entirely. That alone can save a household earning $500,000 or more somewhere between $20,000 and $60,000 a year, depending on your income and filing situation. Connecticut's top state rate is 6.99% compared to New York's 10.9%, and there is no local income tax on top of it. Property taxes in Greenwich typically run around 1% of assessed value, which for most buyers coming from the city is a pleasant surprise. So yes, the financial case for moving to Greenwich is strong, but the money is not the whole story. Here's the first thing nobody tells you. You are going to need a car, and not just one car. Most Greenwich families need 2. In Manhattan, you walk to dinner, you take the subway to work, you grab a taxi when it rains. In Greenwich, your life runs on wheels. The grocery store, your kids' school, the train station, the gym, nothing is a quick walk unless you are in a very specific pocket near Greenwich Avenue. If you are coming from a lifestyle where you have not owned a car in 10 years, this is a real adjustment. It is not a deal breaker. People love the space and the privacy, but it changes your daily routine more than most people expect. Number 2, the housing stock is older than you think. Greenwich is not a new construction market. The majority of homes were built in the 1920s through the 1970s, and even the ones that look updated often have aging mechanicals, older septic systems, and infrastructure that needs attention. If you are coming from a renovated Manhattan apartment where everything is turnkey, you need to budget for the reality that a Greenwich home may need work. And that leads directly into number 3. Number 3, and this is the one that surprises people the most, contractor availability and renovation costs in Greenwich are significantly higher than what you might expect. Finding a reliable contractor in this market can take months, not weeks, and the cost of renovations in Fairfield County is among the highest in the country. A kitchen renovation that might cost $80,000 in other markets can easily run $150,000 or more in Greenwich. If you're buying a home that needs updating, factor that into your budget from the beginning, not after you close. Number 4, the commute is real, and it is not always what people picture. Metro North will get you to Grand Central in about 50 minutes from the Greenwich station, and that is a comfortable ride. But you need to plan your life around the train schedule, especially during off-peak hours when service is less frequent. And if you are driving into the city, you are looking at 45 minutes to over an hour, depending on traffic and time of day. Most buyers who are working hybrid, 2 or 3 days a week in the office, find this completely manageable. But if you are going in 5 days a week, the commute is a factor you need to think about honestly before you commit. And number 5, Greenwich is a town, not a city. That sounds obvious, but the lifestyle difference is bigger than most people anticipate. Restaurants close earlier, the nightlife is limited. The social scene revolves around schools, sports, clubs, and community events, not bars and rooftop parties. For families with kids, this is usually exactly what they wanted. But if you are moving without children or you are used to having endless options at midnight on a Tuesday, the adjustment is real. Most people come to love it, the pace, the quiet, the space, but it takes a few months to settle in. So here is what I want you to take away. The financial case for moving from NYC to Greenwich is compelling. The tax savings alone can be life-changing. But the smartest relocators go in understanding the full picture. Budget for cars, budget for home maintenance and renovations, plan your commute realistically, and give yourself time to adjust to a completely different rhythm of life. If you do that, you will love it here. If you are planning your move from New York City and want someone who has walked hundreds of buyers through this exact transition, reach out when it makes sense. Give me a call at 203-524-4303.